Get into the 2018 BMW X6. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Defy convention in breathtaking luxury in the X6, the high-performance sports activity coupe that knows no boundaries. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, keyless start, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power liftgate, heated mirrors, backup camera. Thundering power meets superior refinement and versatility in the X6. Drive it today.